like for example, the motherboard, I should be able to get $50 for it on the cheap end. I know a lot of people said for 2 or 3, but no one's gonna pay 2 or 3 on this old printer. So we have the little fax card here. This should have some value. Put that aside, but like I said, I'm gonna put it as part of the peripheral board pile that I'm gonna make for the printers. Sorry, I'm putting my back to you guys. Such an odd sized printer, not odd size, but such a massive printer. It's kind of difficult to move things around and take things apart and whatnot. And even with a lot of these bigger, more expensive printers, you'll get maybe a small hard drive, some memory possibly. So it's good. It's really good to pick these up because you'll get good value. You'll definitely get more than what I think I think printer scrap is going for about more or less a penny a pound right now, which is practically nothing. Not really valuable. So you got a little board here, gold pins. Obviously there's gold pins in here. So that's a nice little board. Let's see now the motherboard is pretty much completely loose. You just have one more screw here. And we have to take all the wires out and we're good to go. They just pop out of their socket pretty easy. Don't have to force anything. Found one more screw. And the board is out. And there you go. Nice little peripheral board. It's gold in here, gold here. Where else? Obviously there's gold in the IC chip here. Gold in the ports here. Another gold, some gold here on the Ethernet plug. And in a lot of cases, even usually comes with a stick of memory. That's pretty good.